This is Samsak, and in this video we are looking at how Parliament makes laws. So first of all, let's look at what is parliamentary lawmaking. So Parliament is the sovereign lawmaking body in the United Kingdom, which means that it has the supreme legal authority to make, amend or repeal any law. So most laws start life as a bill, which is just a draft law, and only become an Act of Parliament once it's been approved by both the House of Commons and the House of Lords and given royal assent. So there are a few different types of bills. You have public bills, which affect everyone, and this can include the Offence Against the Person Act or the Consumer Rights Act. You have private bills, which affect specific individuals or organisations. And then private member bills, which are introduced by MPs who aren't government ministers, often to raise awareness or push reform. So now let's look at the stages of a bill in Parliament. So first of all, the process starts off with a green paper, and this is a consultation document inviting discussion and feedback on possible new laws. After consultation, a white paper then sets out firm proposals for legislation. Then, if it starts in the House of Commons, there are a few different stages. You have the first reading, in which the bill's title is read out and there is no debate. You then have a second reading, which is the main debate on the principles of the bill. Then you go to committee stage, which is a detailed line-by-line examination by a committee of members of Parliament. You then have the report stage, where the committee will report back any changes. And then you have a third reading, which is the final debate and vote on the completed bill. The bill will then go to the House of Lords, where the same stages happen again. Now, if the Lords make any changes, the bill bounces back to the Commons, and this is known as ping pong. Then finally, we get royal assent. So once both the houses agree on the final version, the bill is sent for royal assent. And this is where the King formally approves it, and it becomes an Act of Parliament. Now in practice, this stage is a formality, and in fact royal assent has not been refused since 1708.